Just going to demonstrate the disassembly here, so just using something flat to push this out. Pull that out. Now this should come out, and then that comes down off that hook there. Now this little there's a little locking pin in here which you can just pull out from the top. This unscrews, lifts off, and there's actually meant to be a rubber O-ring in there which I forgot to put on before. You've got a little clear plastic washer here, so make sure you don't lose that. This piece here just unscrews anti-clockwise, and then that's a diaphragm there which you can just pull out. So to reinstall, push that back in, check the action of it, place that back in, rotate it clockwise to lock it. Now what you're going to want to do is place your O-ring over the top here, get your plastic washer, place that on. Now, so you want to make sure that this big open section is where this seats down through, so insert that pin, and you can actually insert the plastic pin back through there if you want, but just make sure that you align this plastic washer with that. Actually, before you do that, you want to hook this back on. Make sure it's in the right position. It actually has to be around. I think I need to turn this over half a turn, so turn that half a turn, place it on, and now it's in the right spot. Not sure if you can see clearly, but in here there's little lugs that are designed to go over these lugs here. So now I'm going to place this down through the hole. Make sure the plastic washer's in place. Insert that through. I'm actually going to insert this pin. So now I've got that back into place, and now this pin goes back through into the largest slot here. You'll see when you look down through it there's only one spot it can go, and you might have to put it on a bit of a 45-degree angle down that way, not straight down. If you, just have a look at it anyway. And that's how it sort of locks it in place there. So that's it.